Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will share interesting information about basic Linux command and bash script include JQ. You will know how to parse Json file and text file and take the parameters and put it in other file like CSV. If you like this video, please press the like button and I will very appreciate if you subscribe my channel. Thank you and let's get started. The task, like you see, you have JSON named file.json with the mail m value and the file info for each one of them. So we'll take only the mail with only grade bigger than 55. Then I will take the file name from here. Let's open this, for example, and then I will take the number value, this, and put in the result the ID of the person and the number. So for example, this ID, and from here the number is 993. It will be in the result, and other records if it finds. Okay, let's start. Okay, to create a file, touch, script, start. Let's test it. Now it will not work because you need permission. You do like this, chmod, and now it's working. Let's show you the JQ. Cut with A is to see the content of the file. Let's see. Okay, pipe JQ with a dot. So now if the JSON is not with typo, let's say I will add here a char, you do like this, it will not parsing error. So this is the way you check that JSON is correct, like this. Okay, now you see this and this, it's like array. So you want to go in, so you do like this. Now you see the records. Okay, let's continue. So we want to cut the file. You can do a JSON name. And then here we give him the parameter name. Like this to go inside the array. Now I want only the male. Only gender with M. So this it will not take, female. Let's do like this with select. Okay, let's try. He gave me Tom, Jeremy, just a minute. He gave me three names, M, gender M, gender M, gender M. You can see the female in the result, so it's working. Okay, now I want in the result not dot, so it's all the record. I want only a file info, so dot file info. Clear and run. Okay, we see this. Now JQ minus R for the row output, you see, without the apostrophes. Now we want to go on the result line by line. Okay, now I want not only male, I want also select grade bigger than 55. Okay, this and this. And in the result, I need also the ID of the person. So let's do like this, and like this. Okay, this will help me to cut the first or the second value. Okay, now I want the loop. How we do it? While read record do done. Okay, let's see. Okay, each loop it will show you the record string and the record value. Now I want to cut the ID, so I will do like this. And file name, it's the first part. This is the delimiter. This will give me the first part, so the file name. This will give me the second part after the delimiter. This is cut with U. Okay, and here let me show him ID. And file name. Okay, this is good. Now I need to take from the file name to parse it. So cut file name. Let's do like this. Cut file. You see? If I want to take the number, I will do like this. Grep number. This tell him the first char of the line, first string, the start from the start of the line, and then number of course, and then I want to take. This is the delimiter. I want to take the second value. Okay, so let's take this to our script, and number equal, this we put in the end, number. Okay, let's see if it makes sense. ID 11, file 300, number 993. Okay, 11 is male and grade bigger than 55. It takes his file 300 text and then he grabs this and take the number line and take only the value 993. Okay, and the second one 555. Tom, male, grade bigger than 55. This is the file you will parse, and then you take in the number 226. Okay, so now we need to put the result in the result CSV file, like this. Okay, so echo ID and then number. ID number and edit to the result CSV. If I do only one of them, it will overwrite. So I want to edit in the last line. Okay, this we don't need, and clear cut result CSV. Okay, you see the 111 and the 993 and then 555 226. That's it. I hope you enjoy. If you like my video, please subscribe and tell your friends. I will really appreciate it. And I will post also in the description how you install JQ 1.6 and GitHub link for the files and script. Thank you. Bye until the next video.